The Ted Berry Company was founded in 1972 by my grandfather, Ted Berry. We're a third-generation family-owned and operated business in Livermore, Maine. We serve all of Maine, all of New England, including the islands. We offer industrial and municipal services. We have a crew of approximately 30 employees. We represent them and their families. We're hardworking, dedicated. We're built on service. We're built on trust and commitment. There's really no company that you can find that's more committed to a project than our company is. We have been for nearly 40 years, and we hope to be for 40 more years.
We heard about Ted Berry from other wastewater operators and the good job that they did. The district has been very satisfied with Ted Berry Company's work. They're very professional, their equipment's top-notch, they're not afraid to try anything to get the job done.
I really can't think of a better company than Ted Berry. They're very, very qualified, very conscientious in everything they do, very safety conscious.
Well, my name's Mike Courtney, and I am the plant manager of the Warren Sanitary District. During the course of our evaluation, we identified about 1,600 feet of pipe that needed immediate rehab. We had a number of options to consider: open cut, which wasn't very attractive because the road was narrow, but also directional drilling, slip lining, and pipe bursting. We selected pipe bursting. It made the most sense for our application, and we chose the Ted Berry Company to do the work. The Berry Company started the bursting, and that went very smoothly. What struck me was that they ran into significant challenges, but overcame them quickly and kept the project on schedule and on budget.
Ted Berry Company has been providing reliable, local industrial services for over 37 years. Located in the heart of the Maine pulp and paper industry, our services include industrial cleaning, hydroblasting, pumping, pipeline cleaning and inspection, landfill leachate systems cleaning and inspections, and many other services critical to keeping a manufacturing facility in operation and environmental compliance. All of our people pride themselves in being problem solvers and have that get it done attitude. So whether you're a large pulp and paper plant, a small manufacturing facility, a hydroelectric power generating plant, or any other industry, our team can help you.
Maintenance issues are the leading cause of backups and overflows of sanitary sewer collection systems. Knowing how your collection system really works will identify trouble spots and lead to preventative maintenance decisions rather than being reactive to the consequences of emergency incidents. Implementing a proactive program based on experience and actual system conditions provides a manager with the tools to improve decision-making and maintain environmental compliance, as well as prolong the life of buried infrastructure. The Ted Berry team has been assisting municipalities from 0.2 to 60 MGD for over 40 years and has the experience, equipment, and dedicated staff to help you plan and implement a preventative maintenance program throughout your collection system. Condition assessment of your collection system is an investment in managing risk. A condition assessment helps utilities discover structural, maintenance, and capacity issues before they become problems. Performing a condition assessment has a cost, but prioritizing work by maintenance and replacement needs is an essential step towards better collection system management. Robotic CCTV is one of the best tools available to check the condition of your buried assets. During CCTV inspections, pipe defects and maintenance issues are discovered and classified using a standardized PACP coding system. Following data analysis, structural condition and operational information is used to estimate a pipe's performance, remaining useful life, and to plan for the future. Hydraulic capacity is a primary performance measure for a wastewater collection system. Capacity, both hydraulic and treatment, can be taken up by clean water entering the sewer collection system. CCTV evaluation can determine the specific location and cause of I&I in many cases. Flow data can then be used as a tool in condition assessment either to identify areas for further CCTV inspection or to quantify the severity of inflow and infiltration identified during CCTV work.
Pipe bursting is a method of replacing an existing pipe with a new pipe with the same or larger inner diameter. The project we're working on today, traditionally, if it was open cut entrenched, would be a 2 to 3 week construction. We've reduced that by using static pipe bursting into a 3 to 5 day construction schedule.
I'm in a very difficult area of York Beach with lots of road traffic. There's lots of expensive properties. I have granite curbing and sidewalk that the sewer line is under. By using pipe bursting, I don't have to worry about replacing sidewalk. I don't have to worry about putting curbing back. I won't have much paving to do. Pretty much a textbook perfect example of where pipe bursting works extremely well.
As the infrastructure in the United States ages, increasing importance is being put on rehabilitating the nation's underground piping systems. Television inspection of the interiors of these structures often reveal misaligned pipe segments, leaking pipe joints, and other failing pipe integrity. An integral part of the infrastructure in the United States is its vast network of pipelines, conduits, and culverts. These are among the assets we take for granted, since most are buried and we never see them. We do not see them deteriorate either, but we know that they do. Slip lining is a well-established method for rehabilitation of stormwater culverts that are failing at an alarming rate due to the rapid deterioration of the existing pipes. During the slip lining process, a new pipe of a smaller diameter is placed inside the existing pipe and grouted in place. The new pipe is manufactured from long-lasting products like HDPE or polypropylene and have superior flow characteristics, long lifespans, and improved engineering characteristics when compared to piping materials used over the past 100 years. Slip lining is a trenchless technology which allows the existing pipe to be rehabilitated with minimum disruption to the environment and significant savings in cost and public disruption. In many cases, no excavation is required and installations are complete in a fraction of the time when compared to traditional open-cut construction.
Tedberry Company has over 40 years' experience in municipal and industrial pipeline cleaning, inspection, and rehabilitation. They can help you through feasibility, design, permitting, and construction of your next stormwater rehabilitation project.
Pipe ramming, often referred to as pipe jacking, is a trenchless method for installation of steel pipes and casings under active railway lines and roadways, where other trenchless methods could cause surface settling or heaving, or where excavation would be undesirable. The Tedberry Company is in most cases able to complete an installation with little or no disruption to rail or highway traffic. The method uses pneumatic percussive blows to drive a steel pipe through the ground. The leading edge of the pipe is open, which allows it to swallow the earth as it progresses forward. Its shape allows a small overcut and to direct the soil into the pipe interior instead of compacting it outside the pipe. Spoil removal from the pipe can be done after the entire pipe is in place by auger, compressive air, or water jetting. Our CIPP sectional point repair system provides a structural repair to an existing underground gravity sewer or storm drainage line without digging the existing pipeline or lining the entire pipe. In recent years, there's been an increase in demand from municipal and industrial collection system owners to utilize sectional point repairs in place of digging. This change has saved utility owners hundreds of thousands of dollars and enabled them to repair multiple areas in their system without additional funding. Pipes ranging from 4-inch to 48-inch and larger, made of clay, cast iron, PVC, asbestos cement, concrete, and others, can now be structurally repaired in hours without disruption to traffic or sewer flows. All repairs are able to be installed from an existing manhole or cleanout. Tedberry's Permaliner sectional point repair system meets ASTM specifications, which requires the materials to be tested for a minimum design life of 50 years.
Safety needs to be a collaborative effort by everyone in this company. Doesn't matter your title, your role, whether you was hired yesterday or you've been here 40 years. It's everyone's job.
At the Ted Berry Company, safety is at the core of what is important to us. We simply care too much about the people that work with us to allow them to be injured at work. We have a strong safety program in place, but still have work to do to achieve an accident-free workplace.
What safety means to me is sending each and every employee home each and every night to their family and loved ones and working together as a team to ensure a safe workplace.
For me, safety is of the utmost importance. My family means everything to me, and I want to come home to them safe and sound each and every day. And I want the same for my coworkers. They need to go home to their families safe and sound as well.
Safety to me is not just watching out for myself, it's watching out for myself and my crew.
One of the most important things is that I have made a real effort to not forget what it was like when I was on the end of a vacuum hose or running a truck. Once I became foreman, I had people working underneath me and beside me, and I always made sure we did our job safely so we could go home to our family at the end of the day.
I think the most important job at Ted Berry is the guys that are out there on the front line. You know, these are the guys that are out there seeing these potential hazards and issues every day. Those are the guys that we need to turn to find the information to figure out how we can all stay safe.
I try to stay on a friendly basis with our guys, but every once in a while you gotta stand up and do what's right for the team. If you don't have the respect of our guys, you're gonna have a hard time keeping them safe.
The secret to our success is our employees, our supervisors, our senior leaders, and our management teams being in a collaborative effort to work safely every day.
Everyone plays a role in the safety of our company and its employees. It doesn't matter if a guy is above me, below me, or beside me. We all play an important and critical role in the safety of our company.
Safety to me is to ensure that these guys go home each and every night to their family and their loved ones.
No job is so important that we can't take time to do it safe.
Safety is more of a choice than a demand.
Safety to me is going home to my family every night and going back to work the next day safe.
Developing a positive attitude in our employees and modifying their behavior to perform each job in a safe, productive manner is a key part of my responsibility as a supervisor. The success or failure of accident prevention largely depends on how well I carry out my responsibilities.
As a supervisor, you're a key component to a successful safety program. Your team members normally respect and emulate you and your actions. As a supervisor who does not make a total commitment to an accident-free work environment and who fails to integrate safety in every aspect of his or her job can expect the same from their coworkers.
Being safe here at the Ted Berry Company is definitely about having courage and having the right attitude. Safety is a lot more than talking about it behind an office. It's taken a few years to realize that safety isn't a meeting. Safety is an attitude, safety is action.
In order for our company to compete, grow, and be the employer of choice for our area, we must be profitable. In order to be profitable, we must be safe in everything we do and protect our most valuable asset, our employees. Running a safe company takes leadership, courage, and commitment, and that is the way we're all going to do it.